All right, so we were talking earlier about, things will improve as we head through the rest of the summer and into fall. I mean, it obviously does. It doesn't stay this hot right on through October, November, and into December. Sometimes it just takes a little bit longer to cool off than other years. But by August 31st, our normal high temp, today it's 96. Our normal high temp by August 31st is 93. By the middle part of September, it's 89. By the end of September, it's 84. And by the time we head toward the middle part of October, our average high temp, or our normal high temp, is 79. So there's a reason why the beginning of the fair usually starts off pretty warm, but by the end of the fair, it's a little bit better outside, and it's also one of the reasons why it can be a little rainy at times during the fair, because we head into fall. We start to get those cold fronts back into North Texas. We start to get disturbances moving overhead. The weather pattern turns more active than it does during July and August. I mean, I don't think anybody would want to be out at the fair during the months of July and August. We want it when it's, a little bit cooler outside, but that time of year, it's going to come with some rain chances from time to time. 95 at Fair Park, feeling like 100. That's definitely better than yesterday. Humidity, not the worst today, but obviously it does feel like 100 compared to 95. This morning, if you were up early, was pretty nice across the majority of North Texas, and tomorrow morning, we're going to do it again, especially across the eastern portion of the area. Look at the low 70s tomorrow morning, maybe even a few upper 60s to start the day. 78 in Dallas to start tomorrow morning, 77 in Fort Worth, but then by tomorrow afternoon, it'll be a mixture of 90s to triple digits. Close to that 100-degree mark in DFW, upper 90s to the east, definitely above that 100-degree mark across western North Texas, and it will be a little bit more on the muggy side tomorrow, so your afternoon heat index values for most of you will peak in that 105 to 110-degree range, and that's why DFW and the surrounding area has been added back to that heat advisory. If you're in our eastern, northeastern locations or along the Red River, as you just saw, your heat index values and your temps may not be as high, so you're not under the heat advisory, but the DFW area is, and far to the west, our western row of counties under an excessive heat warning for those heat index values or even actual temperatures, 110 or higher. A lot of Texas feeling the heat, obviously, and that's why we set that record when it comes to, I don't know why that just advanced so quickly. I want to show that to you. What I also was saying was we set that record for power consumption yesterday, because it's not just North Texas feeling the heat, it's everybody as well. All right, here we go. The reason why I wanted to show you this is because we did get a couple more burn bans added to our list for the moment. Tarrant County, Ellis County are now under burn bans, so that makes the majority of North Texas under a burn ban at the moment because things have been so hot and dry, so be aware of that. Breezy and less humid tonight, 77 for your low. Breezy, hot and humid tomorrow, 100 for your high. 101 on Friday, 100 Saturday, 99 on Sunday, 100 Monday, 99 on Tuesday, 98 on Wednesday. So over the next 7 days, could a couple of those 99s be 100? Could a couple of those 100s be 99? Sure, we'll just say around 100 degrees for the next 7 days. It's the next 7 after that that's looking a little bit better. We get potentially some rain chances back in here, maybe even a kind of a weak front that moves in by that following weekend, which is your Labor Day weekend. That cools us off a little bit more as well. And I don't see Labor Day weekend being a washout at this point, but there may be a little rain around at times for the weekend.
We can use a little bit of that too, though.
It's that time of year where we start to hopefully get some rain chances back and hopefully a little cooler weather too.